Alright, we got our microwave tray from Sears somewhere. I don't know where it came from, maybe there. But it's a Electrolux item. Instructions. I washed it. It's in the microwave. Here's the popcorn. We're going to put top up. Put it in there. We're going to close the door. And we're going to turn, let's see, popcorn button, use tray, regular, select size, press 1 or 2, use tray, snack, regular, sensing. So it's regular. There it is. So even though it's sensing, it's not counting down. I don't know what that means. Different to me. So we'll have to look at the timer and see when we started. I'm going to go with 10:20. I hear action, something. Seems to be stuck on sensing. Got 1 minute so far. I'm feeling here. I feel warmth blowing out. Right there. I feel it right here. No, oh, a little bit over here. A little bit here. But mostly here. Some kind of heat. Oh, I heard a kernel pop. Maybe you put it in long enough. Still on 5:46. Oh, now the timer's going off. It's going down to 42 seconds. 5:47, whatever that means. That's gotta be what time it is. Duh. I thought when we were using the microwave it was changing. You don't hear it popping, but the bag is getting full. It's a popping. Two, one, end. Okay, whew, that bag is hot. Yeah, I gotta put this down for a minute. Oh, what are you doing? There's my doggy. Okay, I opened the popcorn. And popped it. I don't know about most of it, because there's a bunch of kernels in there. But it did pop popcorn. Try again later.